Hey, fitness fam, if you're a beginner in the USA looking to build serious muscle, this guide is for you. We'll cover everything from workouts to diet in just 7 minutes. Bodybuilding isn't just about lifting weights, it's a lifestyle that boosts strength, confidence, and health. Millions in the US are transforming their bodies right now. First, set realistic goals. Aim for 1 to 2 pounds of muscle gain per month as a natural beginner. Track progress with apps like MyFitnessPal. Start with compound lifts. These build muscle fast. Think squats, deadlifts, bench presses. They're the foundation of any solid routine. For chest day, hit the bench press. Lie flat, lower the bar to your chest, then push up explosively. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Legs are key. Don't skip them. Squats target quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Start with body weight if you're new. Shoulders, try overhead presses. Press dumbbells up from shoulder height. Builds that V-taper look everyone wants. Arms day, bicep curls and tricep dips. Curl weights up, squeeze at the top. Dips for that horseshoe tricep shape. Train 3 to 5 days a week. Split routines like push-pull legs work best for beginners. Rest days are crucial for growth. Progressive overload is the secret. Increase weights or reps each week to keep challenging your muscles. Nutrition fuels your gains. Eat in a calorie surplus, 250 to 500 extra calories daily from protein-rich foods. Protein is king. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kg of body weight. Sources: chicken, eggs, whey from US brands like Optimum Nutrition.
Carbs for energy, oats, rice, sweet potatoes. Don't fear them, they power your workouts.
Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, olive oil. They support hormones for muscle building. Sample meal: breakfast, oatmeal with eggs. Lunch, turkey sandwich. Dinner, salmon and quinoa. Supplements: start with whey protein, creatine, and multivitamins. Creatine adds 5 to 10% strength gains. Hydrate: drink at least a gallon of water daily. Dehydration kills gains. Recovery matters. Sleep 7 to 9 hours nightly. That's when muscles repair and grow. Incorporate rest days and active recovery like walking or yoga to avoid burnout. Common mistakes: overtraining. Listen to your body. If sore, rest more. Neglecting form leads to injury. Always prioritize technique over heavy weights. Skipping legs. Don't be that guy. Balanced physique is key for aesthetics. Home workouts? No gym needed. Use dumbbells or body weight for push-ups, squats, planks.
Track macros with apps. MyFitnessPal is free and perfect for US users.
Join communities, Reddit's R Bodybuilding or local USA gyms for support. Consistency wins. Stick to your plan for 12 weeks to see real changes. Cardio? Keep it minimal. Hit twice a week to burn fat without losing muscle. Steroids? Stay natural for health. Focus on diet and training instead. Budget tips: shop at Costco for bulk protein. Affordable gains in the USA. Mental health: bodybuilding reduces stress. Celebrate small wins like hitting a PR. For vegans, plant-based proteins like lentils, tofu, and pea powder work great. Warm up properly, 5 to 10 min cardio and dynamic stretches to prevent injuries. Cool down with static stretches. Hold for 20 to 30 sec per muscle group. Plateaus? Switch routines every 4 to 6 weeks to shock your muscles. Stay inspired. Watch USA bodybuilding competitions like Mr. Olympia. Final tip: patience is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, neither is your physique. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your goals below. Let's build together.